Milwaukee, that's all we heard about. The schools were closed for 2 days, and they were going to get 2 to 3 feet of snow.
There's a little bit. There's there.
Oh.
Yeah, there's a spot. There's a spot.
There's a little bit of snow. Okay. I have a feeling, though, that when we get within a mile of our home, we will see snow.
At least on our road.
Yeah, at least on our road. We can drive all over the place, and there'll be nothing, and we'll get to a mile from our home, less than that, half mile, quarter mile, to our road, and then suddenly there's snow. So we'll see.
It's our refrigerated life.
Okay, truthfully, I did feel like I was missing out by not being home for our spring snowstorm. So I asked Jack to make a recording of what I was missing out on. So I'll share that with you guys.
Yeah, but it was all white.
Okay. Yep. I was right. We were almost home before we saw the snow.
Now how are we gonna get there? Through?
How are we gonna get back there? Oh dear. I'm gonna run
Ready?
at it. I don't know. Okay, on your mark, get set, go.
And then you gotta throw snow at your screen.
We're not going that way.
Put it.
I'm home and we are covered in snow. Look at that. Look at what I missed out on. A blizzard while I was gone. I do feel like I missed out. I gotta get in before the dogs get let out because they'll attack. They're attack dogs. Good morning. What is today? April the 8th. Today is solar eclipse day. Of course, we're not in the path of the eclipse. I found out, though, someone I know is, and I'm like, oh, I didn't know you were in the path. Yeah, well, that's kind of cool. I thought I could have gone and visited you. Well, I couldn't because I just got back from my other trip. Oh. Huh, my post is tipped. We'll let Ernie out and then we can talk because he's like, please let me out. Good morning, Ernie. Good morning. Alright, it's nice that he no longer attacks me. Sorry if he's loud. Piper dog, where are you? Oh, there she is. There's my little Piper dog. Can you see her over there? Ooh, I almost walked into a tree branch. She blends in with the woods so well. Come on, little Piper dog. She's going there. She's going the other way. She's not listening very well, but I've got the Natty here. Come on, Natty. She doesn't really like Ernie too much. Wow, sorry. She doesn't really like Ernie too much, so I know she'll follow me back home. I should give you an update on how my foot's doing. Where are you going? I just said you would follow me. The dog just made a liar out of me. No, she's following the pipesters. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, I was going to give you an update on my foot. I'll have to do it later. Okay, there's the little dog. But Natty is nowhere to be found. I got to go look for her now. She went on a wild goose chase. She should have been chasing you. Then I would know where she is. Yeah. Hello, Natty. Well, now I've got Natty, and I've got Ernie. Hello, Ernie, but Piper's missing. I guess I just can't win today. Ooh, a train. The girls and I have come into town to go to the thrift stores, and as we were driving along, we saw a lot of people outside with their special viewing glasses for the eclipse. We'll only get a partial eclipse here. If that, I don't know how much we're going to get. But I don't have special glasses. I'll have to check the shadows. Let's see if I can get the sun. Oh, is it behind the cloud there? I think so. Yeah, there's a cloud covering it right now. But I did the circle thing where you let the, to look at the shadows, and so far there's nothing. Back in 2017, we took a colander out and saw the shadows move. That was pretty cool, but so far, I don't see anything here. It was so cloudy, and then it got cloudier today. My son said, oh, it'll clear up. He was right. I said, I don't think so, but he was right. It's cleared up well, except for a few clouds. Okay, Jax just sent me a text and said the eclipse was right now, and people are looking up at the sun. Let's see if we can catch it with the camera. Ah! You can't see much. Okay, I've come out to my car. The radio says it's 80%. And they said for the next 4 minutes, so that's probably the next 3 minutes, but we'll see if I can see it with my... Does that look 80%? I don't know. I wish I had glasses to see it. And Jack sent me a text, and he was at home, and he used the welding mask to look at it. I'm just a little disappointed I can't see it. When I was a kid, I was in like the 6th or 8th grade when there was an eclipse. And we all went outside and we had pieces of paper, one with a hole and one without. And then we would look at the shadow and you could see it. And I remember thinking it was so boring. I always liked the lunar eclipse better. Some really nice girls had a pair of the glasses and they said, do you want to try? I'm like, yes. And it's so cool. Yeah, I'd say 80%. Ah, that's really cool. I'm going back in the store.
What happened to it?
I've got a guest today. We're playing games.
Look at you. Ah, what's happening?
Hello, Minji. Yeah? What do you have to say? Yeah.
What's she saying?
I don't know. She's like, give me some attention. Pet me. Pet my face. I like my face. Then we've got these two over here. Oh, yeah. We're having fun today.
Look at.
No baking, just playing.
Look at.
Whoa, look at him in there.